Okay, today I'm going to review one of my most favorite lip balms. This is from Bodywise. This is a pigmentation repair lip balm with SPF 30. It hydrates, protects from sun damage. Okay, this is fragrance free, PA triple plus, and petroleum free. And this is 8 grams, which actually retails for 399 rupees. Okay, now let me open it for you and show you why this one is one of my most favorite lip balms. This comes in this cute little packaging. Let me show you how little this one is. This one is 8 grams of lip balm, and comes in this cute packaging. This one is glass and the lid is of plastic, and I never wanted to finish. This looks so cute. Okay, let me open it for you and show you. Alright, I have used a little bit of it. Now this claims to have a watermelon flavor, but I think this is more of a muskmelon than watermelon. But anyway, the fragrance is extremely soothing, and I am saying this though I am extremely sensitive to fragrances. My nose does not agree with most of the fragrance lip balms and lip products that are available in the market, but this one has a mild muskmelon flavor which is extremely soothing, and it's going to give you a refreshed feeling even in this scorching heat. Okay, let me show you how the exact product is. This product has no tint, again, though it looks a little peachy in color in the container, but this product has no color, no tint at all. It goes completely tintless, transparent, and not at all sticky. Gives you right amount of hydration. Well, now this is a little bit shiny, but that is how most of the lip balms are, and I just love it. Let me give you the final verdict now. Okay, apart from being cute and extremely nourishing, moisturizing, Bodywise is a good brand, and there are many products available, though I have only used this lip product from their brand, and I have found this one really good if you are looking for fragrance free. It's not fragrance free, actually it has a very mild fragrance, but I don't think it's going to irritate your nose, because I have extremely sensitive nose. It did not irritate mine. So this is definitely unisex. Everyone can use it. It can be used at night, it can be used in the morning. It does not shine for a really long time. It stays on your lips, and it does moisturize your lips. So if you are if you are willing to buy this one, if you are searching for a good lip balm that is under 400 rupees, you can definitely give it a try, and this one is not going to disappoint you. Thank you.